How to hide activity status on TikTok. To hide the activity status on TikTok, you first need to open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to this homepage where you can view all the videos that are shared on TikTok. From this page, tap on Profile at the bottom right corner. Once you're in this page, tap on Menu at the top right corner. Then select the option Settings and Privacy from the menu. Once you're done, tap on the option Privacy. From this page, you need to find the option that says Activity Status. Now disable the Activity Status option. Now, as it is turned off, nobody will be able to see your activity status. And also, you won't be able to see others' activity status until you turn it back on. So, by following these simple steps, you can go ahead and easily hide activity status on TikTok.